Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. So here it is, it's a 2018 68 plate, 11,628 miles. And as you can see, lovely bike. Finished in this gorgeous metallic white. Couple of nice extras on this one as well. So you've got that EvoTech tail tidy, you've got the rear seat cowl, obviously RS, so Brembo brakes, colour TFT display, and Ohlins rear suspension. You've got the paddock stand bobbins on there, you've got them lovely bar and mirrors. Obviously you've got all your riding modes. You've got your quickshifter on there too. And they are just lovely bikes, lovely handling, plenty of power. They are just mega bikes. If you are interested though, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.